Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the following topic: how to fix Pinterest not loading. If you're having trouble with your Pinterest feed not loading, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix: airplane mode. Turn it on from your notification bar or control center and then wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off. This resets your network connection and can fix temporary glitches. Once you turn it off, go back to Pinterest and try logging in again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there is an update available for the app Pinterest. Go to Play Store and then search Pinterest and then see if there is an option of update. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using an outdated version of the app. Updating ensures that you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear the app's cache, especially on Android. Here's how. Go to settings and then click on the option of app. After that, scroll down until you see the option of Pinterest. Once you find the option of Pinterest, click on the option and then scroll for a bit down and then click on storage. Then you'll see the option of clear cache. Then hit clear cache. This clears out old data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which will get on in a second. And if none of that helps, go ahead and delete Pinterest from your phone and then try reinstalling it again. This gives you a fresh install with all the latest files, and there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your Pinterest account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a big thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.